The first question is, in which year Amartya Sen win the Nobel Prize? Options are A. 1995, B. 1996, C. 1997 and D. 1998. Answer is D. My next question is, which of the following chemicals are used in beauty parlors for hair setting? Options are A. Phosphorus based, B. Silicone based, C. Iron based and D. Sulfur based. Answer is D. My next question is, periscope is used for. Options are A. To see astronomical objects, B. To see microorganisms, C. To see objects above water level from submarine and D. To see inside water. Answer is C. My next question is, what is the full form of ISRO? Options are A. International Space Research Organization, B. Indian Space Research Organization, C. India Satellite Research Organization and D. Indian Space Resolution Organization. Answer is B. My next question is, income from agriculture is. Options are A. Taxable, B. Non-taxable, C. Taxable at higher rate and D. Taxable at lower rate. Answer is B. My next question is, the oldest mountain range in India is. Options are A. Aravallis, B. Vindhyas, C. Satpuras and D. Nilgiri Hills. Answer is A. My next question is, which is not operating system? Options are A. iOS, B. Windows, C. Linux and D. MS Office. Answer is D. My next question is, Western disturbance related to. Options are A. Border dispute with Pakistan, B. Riots in western part of India, C. Rains during winters and D. Rains during monsoons. Answer is C. My next question is, which one is a coral island? Options are A. Majuli Island, B. Lakshadweep Island, C. Andaman Island and D. Div Island. Answer is B. My next question is, which classical dance is traditionally performed by men? Options are A. Kathakali, B. Kuchipudi, C. Kathak and D. Mohiniyattam. Answer is A. My next question is, Ajanta caves are in which state? Options are A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Mizoram and D. Meghalaya. Answer is B. My next question is, Khalsa was established in. Options are A. 1695, B. 1696, C. 1698 and D. 1699. Answer is D. My next question is, POCSO is a criminal act related with, options are A. Sexual harassment of women at workplace, B. Sexual offences against children, C. Money laundering, and D. Narcotic drugs smuggling. Answer is B. My next question is, identify the non-greenhouse gas from the following. Options are A. Methane, B. Nitrous oxide, C. Sulfur hexafluoride, D. Carbon monoxide. Answer is D. My next question is, which organ is not a part of immune system? Options are A. Thymus, B. Brain, C. Spleen, and D. Tonsils. Answer is B.